Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and enabling the basics. First, verify which Apple Pencil you have and that your iPad supports it. This matters for pairing method. Once done, update iPad OS so Find My supports accessories. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the pencil is physically near the iPad. For a first gen, plug or attach as required. For a second gen, magnetically attach. These initial steps ensure the device can register with your Apple ID and appear in Find My. Now pair the pencil and enable it in Find My so you can locate it later. After attaching or plugging in, accept the pairing prompt and verify the pencil appears in Settings Bluetooth. Then open Settings, tap your name, choose Find My, and enable Find My Network and Share My Location if asked. This lets offline finding work. Next, open the Find My app and look under Devices or Items to confirm the pencil is listed. If it's visible, the system has linked the pencil to your Apple ID and network. Finish by validating tracking and knowing what to do if it fails. Open Find My and select the pencil to play a sound or view its last known location. This confirms the setup. Keep the pencil charged because a depleted battery won't report its position. If it doesn't appear, toggle Bluetooth and Find My, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or unpair and repair the pencil. These steps typically restore the connection. If problems persist, restart the iPad and try the sequence again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.